For more than 100 years, we have been shaping materials, striving for perfection, constantly seeking the best possible outcome. Every day, through our work, we create a reality that brings us closer to the future we envision. We are driven by our passion and commitment to produce nothing but excellence, pushing the boundaries of innovation. Each of our products is the result of ongoing dedication, driving us forward without hesitating. We know that with our attention to every single detail, with the best technology available, each of our efforts will always bring us one step forward. What has guided us and will continue to guide us over time are our values and our dedication to the work we do. Together, we are confident that we will still be here 100 years from now, pursuing a future that evolves and gradually takes shape. We know that today and tomorrow, we will continue to forge the future. Pietro Rosa and 𝗣𝗶𝗲𝗁𝗍, forging the future. Together,